Alright, so here we have some compound OR inequalities, and we just solve compound OR inequalities like there's two different inequalities. So let's look at this first guy. Please excuse I had to edit this out a little bit. I had to change the sign. We're going to solve this one by undoing the addition first. And we're just going to come down here where there's a little bit more room. 2x is less than or equal to negative 10. Divide both sides by 2. And x is less than or equal to negative 5. All right, for this next guy, we just divide by 5. And 45 divided by 5 is 9, so x is greater than 9. So the key here is you've got two different inequalities. One is going to the left with a closed circle at negative 5. And the other one is starting at 9 with an open circle going to the right. And so this is the trademark of OR inequalities. They like to graph away from each other. If they graph toward each other, you're just going to have a single inequality. So just make sure you remember that. All right, next inequality. I've got x minus 8 is less than negative 4 at 8. X is less than 4. And then if I divide by 5 here, x is greater than 9. And so, again, it's very similar to the other one. 4 open circle going left, and 9 open circle going right. And so none of these had a negative that you had to divide by. Just keep in mind, if I have a negative number, for instance, negative 2x is greater than 4, I will need to divide both sides by negative 2, and that would flip the sign. X is less than negative 2, but I didn't have to do that here.